or the story time with drag talking to children?
Drag queen story hour where it's drag queens, they're men, and they're in front of toddlers. It's happening in America. Do you agree with that? No problem.
I'll put it this way.
Okay.
The reason I came out here was to meet this group of people that are on this side of the road. Because I'd like to think that I'm traditionalist and conservative in my outlook. I would have grave reservation over some of the things that are going on in the educational world, in the political world, and I would describe it in many instances as it's like a race to the bottom. So I would be very worried, and everything that I do inside there reflects the worry and the concern that I have. And we have many people, for instance, in Ireland today, and the one person they'd like to eradicate from society completely is a person called God. And an awful lot of them, the reason why they don't like God and the reason they don't believe in God is because they think they're God themselves.
Yeah,
That's right.
exactly.
You're right.
Now, just
So that's no, I'm not getting into any debate about it now. I'm going to tell you my views now, and that's why I'm here.
Drag queen
I thought you'd
story
be a lot
hour.
louder in person.
Drag queen story hour.
No, I'm after
Yes
answering.
or no?
I'm after answering.
You're not in a roundabout way.
I'm here standing with these
Do you
people.
support drag queens on front of toddlers? Drag queen story hour. Yes or no?
Anto, can I ask you a question, if you don't mind? Can I ask you a quick question before you leave? There's this book in the library called This Book is Gay. It's a sexually pornographic material for children in the library from the age of 12. And they talk about fellatio, how to do fellatio, how to clean out your back passage. We need a politician such as yourself to come out with a strong statement, please.
I want to see children being protected in their childhood.
Yeah.
And I don't want to see children being exposed to anything that they shouldn't
Very
be exposed
good.
to
Very good.
until they're adults.
Okay.
And there'll be time enough
Right.
for all the awful things that are out there
Right.
that will come
So,
in front of them.
very good.
So what I want to do, and the reason I'm on this side of the road, is I'm standing with people
Very good.
who I would say are standing up for traditional values.
Can I just add to that as well? Leo
Right.
Varadkar came out yesterday. We're going into the libraries, and he wants to put injunctions on people like such as ourselves to prevent us going into the library exposing this book. What do you think of that?
I'm not responsible for what Leo Varadkar
I know, but
says
your opinion.
and what he does.
But what's your opinion
I
on
have
that?
to give you my opinion now.
No, you
to be
haven't.
fair. I have to give you my opinion.
On this
Alright?
one, what's your opinion on this?
I'm
Is it
not
right
giving
or
you my
wrong?
opinion.
Is it right or wrong?
I'm after answering that.
Okay,
Put the
so
cork and carry
I'm
the void.
I'm on this side of the road because I'm standing with these people
Okay.
on this side of the
You
road.
could stand stronger with us though.
Michael, do you support the
Don't say
Tuzla
that.
investigation
Please.
or not? Do you support the Tuzla investigation or not?
Tuesday.
Yeah, I'm very involved in what is happening in Kerry, for example. We have a situation going on with North and South Kerry clans, and there's an awful lot of issues that we have in our county and throughout the country.
Throughout the country?
Yes, but I'm getting to that. And of course I have concerns about issues like that.
Yeah, but you don't seem to say it when you're in the door.
Well, I'm sorry.
We need you to pull them on it. I'm not against you, Michael. I want you to pull them on it when you're in there.
I'm very vocal inside in the door, and you know that. All right?
Well, you pull them more. Pull them more.
Okay, that's
Thank you.